On that note, 2 to 3 years pa, then that's good. Still, you said that it's a long way from now. Because some people are saying the last 2 to 3 years would mean the President BBM, if he's not going to be very strong and firm, he would be considered a lame duck in the last 2 to 3 years. What do you think of that?
If you just look at the survey that we did and the popularity ratings, I think you would agree with some observations na naku, lame duck na yung ating
Yes.
Pangulo kasi 21%, medyo that's really low, di pala medyo, that's really low, no? And it's the lowest so far for the president. But you also see that his response was may response agad siya, and my suspicion is that because he doesn't want to be a lame duck president, no? Halimbawa, the mobilization of the ombudsman, di ba?
Yeah.
Si Ombudsman Boying Rimulya, we see that the ombudsman is quite active, and he was siya ang napili ng Pangulo. So you still have the machinery of the government, di ba, na nagpapakita na, teka lang, I'm not out of the game yet,
Yes,
right?
yeah,
So
right.
watch me do something more, diba? Then you also see that in the flood control, the anomalous flood control projects, medyo bumagal nung mga nakaraang buwan, but suddenly it pick up again. Maybe the president is paying attention to his
That's right.
popularity ratings. Now you see that they've announced the cancellation of the passport of Congressman Saldico or former Congressman Saldico, na they're formally requesting a red notice from the Interpol, no? So mukhang biglang may pick up ng pace, no? And there's a lot that Malacanang can do. This is the curse and the advantage of being a president. There's a lot that you can do. Pero syempre pag hindi nag-work, sa'yo din yung sisi,
Sa'yo rin
diba?